Good morning students, 10th standard maths, chapter 3 algebra is exercise 3.11. This also is a quadratic equations only. Quadratic equation is a second method, is a completing the square method. Next one more method is a quadratic equation by quadratic, apply the quadratic formula. So this method, exercise 3.11, first question, solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square method. So first question, 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. So this one, given the quadratic equation format given means, so directly apply the completing square method. First of all, is a coefficient value, x squared coefficient value is 1 only given for this equation. Suppose any other value given means both the equation divided by what are the term given, that number only dividing this number. So divided by 9, x squared before the term is a 9 only given, so divided by 9. So first to last both the term divided by 9, 9 by 9x squared minus 12 by 9x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. Cancel the term, x squared minus 4 by 3x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. The next step, constant term go to the right hand side. So x squared minus 4 by 3x equal to plus change into minus 4 by 9. The next step, apply the identity. Middle value means is a 2ab. 2ab value is a minus symbol given means apply the identity a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So 2ab, verify the answer. So a value equal to x square means, so a square equal to x square means a equal to x. And then 2ab, verify the value. 2 into a value x into you find out the b value, but answer 4 by 3x only given. So which of the term, that of the number b value, apply the term fraction number or decimal number, anything else given, but answer 2ab value is given for this answer is, check the answer. So 2 into x into 4 by 3 means one more fraction term, apply b term 2 by 3 only. So multiple the term 4 by 3x. So write b value equal to 2 by 3, x square minus 4 by 3x plus b square 2 by 3 whole square equal to minus 4 by 9 plus that same term b square also, right hand side also apply 2 by 3 whole square. So this one apply the identity a minus b whole square, x minus 2 by 3 whole square equal to minus 4 by 9 plus both at multiple 4 plus 4 by 9. So x minus 2 by 3 whole square equal to 0. So this one 2 times equal to 0, x minus 2 by 3 equal to 0, again x minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. So constant term go to the right hand side, so x equal to 2 by 3, then one more value also x equal to 2 by 3. Second one, solve the following quadratic equations by formula method. Is a quadratic formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a, that one is a quadratic formula. So second question, root 2 f square minus 6f plus 3 root 2 equal to 0. First of all mention the a value, b value, c value. So coefficient values only mention. A equal to root 2, b equal to minus 6 and then constant term c equal to 3 root 2. So apply the quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So already given number also one more minus given. So minus into minus plus only 6 plus or minus square root of b square minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a value root 2 into b value, c value is a 3 root 2 divided by 2 into a value is a root 2. Okay, 6 plus or minus 6 whole square multiple the term, so 36 minus into minus plus only 36. This term first coefficient value multiple 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Root 2 into root 2, same term root term given means is a 2 right in outside only. So 12 into 2 is a 24 divided by 2 root 2. 6 plus or minus subtract the term root 12 divided by 2 root 2. 12 is not a square number, you find out the LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 only, square root of 2 into 2 into 3 divided by root 2 root 2. This two numbers, one number right in outside. So 6 plus or minus 2, remaining one more term 3 only, root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, so middle one plus or minus symbol only given. So one more term applied plus symbol, another term is a minus only applied. 6 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2, gamma 6 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, then numerator, any term common term means write in outside. 6 and 2 multiplied by 2 table, so write in common term 2 within bracket 6 in 3 times only, 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 root 2, comma this also 2 common, 3 minus root 3 divided by 2 root 2. So numerator denominator 2 cancel, so answer 3 plus root 3 divided by root 2, comma 3 minus root 3 divided by root 2.